And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a smooth zoom effect. I've got this simple clip, you will find it via description link below. I don't want to have it zoom in when they start jumping and zoom a little bit out again when they are underwater. So let's get to this position. We need the effect control. Let's go to window, click on it if you can't see it, and under motion you will find the position and the scale. Let's just start an animation for both. The scale is what we need first, so that's the important part. Now we've got two keyframes at the same position. Let us move to the right with the right arrow keys, so the video moves forward. And now we create a new keyframe for the scale and we zoom in. Now let me go to 130. That should be good. And you can see the position. We may want to adjust a little bit, put a little bit down. And now we've got what we wanted, so it starts zooming when they start jumping. And we want to zoom out again when we see water, like here at this position. Then we create a new keyframe for the scale, then I go forward until they are completely underwater. And I go down with the scale to 100 again. So we've got a zoom in and a zoom out effect at this position, but we have to adjust the position once more. So create a keyframe here, and we need the value we started with, which is 540. So just type it in. Now it's the same as in the beginning. And this is what we wanted to have, but we can make this a little bit smoother. For now it's all linear, but if we select it all, right click, Temporal Interpolation, and then switch it to ease in, we can change these curves, you see right there. So the effects, they accelerate and slow down a little bit at the right positions due to this ease in. And when you've got them set to only linear, they've got the same speed all the time. So this easing in and easing out, it helps you to make this effect look a little bit smoother. You can adjust the timing of these effects by readjusting the keyframes, so make the gap wider and the zooming is much slower. Close the gaps and it's much faster. And this is how you can create such a smooth zoom effect in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.